So Forza Horizon 6 has a really bad issue right now, and everyone's game files are being corrupted, and it's not recoverable at all, even if you contact the Forza Horizon customer service. And if you want to prevent this from happening, you can create a backup, which I will show you where to go. And it's really simple. All you have to go do is go to the C drive and go to Xbox Games. So when you double click Xbox Games, you'll find it here under Game Save. So go to Game Save, go to PGS, and double click that, and then you'll have your game save under here. So it's the U file. So just make sure you copy all of this onto an external hard drive or something like that. And it doesn't seem like it's a large file anyways. It doesn't seem like it's a large folder. Yeah, it's only 25 megabytes. So what you can do, I'm going to copy this entire folder right here and just put it in the desktop. I'll call it new folder Forza 6 backup, and then I'll put today's date, so 6/10/2026, and I'm going to do is just paste that file here, and it's really quick, really simple. At least you have a backup, so if in case there's an issue, you won't lose your 2 days, 24 hours, 48 hours of data and hard work that you spent in the game. At least you can use that to restore your data. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Do the quick backup. It will save you a lot of headache down the line.